Good morning, student. In our last video, we are discussing about yoga and lifestyles. Yoga. Yoga Yoga is union of Atma with Paramatma, means union of soul with God. The union of Atma with Paramatma is possible by by purifying the body and mind. For purifications of body and mind, we have to uh, mm, for purifications of body and mind, there are 8 stages which we have to achieve. That is yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan. After achieving this stage, there will be the union of Atma with Paramatma. Importance of asanas. Asanas as preventive measures. Asanas are categorized into 3 types, such as culture asanas, meditative or relaxative asan, therapeutic asan. Culture asanas is for body fitness. Meditative asan is for improving the mental activity, and therapeutic asan is for curing the health problems like orthopedics related, diet related, concentration related, immune system related, cardiac problem related, neuromuscular related, etc. Pranayam. Pranayam means it is a breathing exercise. Pranayam is a breathing exercise like Anlom Vilom, Surya Bhedan Pranayam, Ujjayi Pranayam, Sitli Pranayam, Sitkari, etc. And Kriya. Kriya is done for internal purifications of body like Nauli Kriya, Jal Neti, Sutra Neti, etc. These are the Kriya which are performed for internal cleaning of the body. Let's discuss about yoga for preventing obesity, diabetes, asthma, asthma and hypertension. Yoga for preventing obesity. What is obesity? Obesity is excess accumulations of fat in the body, resulting in increasing the body weight. In this problem, the excess of fat of body get deposit under the skin, especially in the area of abdomen, chest, shoulders, buttock and leg. We can find the obesity through body mass index. Body mass index is equal to weight upon height square. If the person's body mass index is 20 to 25, it means he is healthy weight. And if his body mass is more than 30, it means he is overweight, obesity. Symptoms of obesity. Obesity leads to health problems like loss of physical fitness. His physical fitness is reduced, decline in physical personality. His personality will be decreased. His appearance, feeling tiredness. He will feel tired by performing the various physical activity. His cardiac problems like um, heart attack, etc. Cause of obesity. The main cause of obesity are wrong diet, wrong dietary habits, and less physical activity. If we take wrong balanced diet, if he does not do the physical activity, overeating or eating lots of fry items, drinking alcohol, sedentary lifestyles, means not doing physical activity, hormonal verifications like hyperthyroidism, imbalance of physical, mentals, emotionals, and emotional energize, etc. These are the cause of obesity. Yoga can cure obesity. Yoga can cure these problems by increasing the physical activity and controlling the glandular functions. Let's discuss about some for preventing obesity. Vajrasan. It is also known as rock sitting position. In Vajrasans, we sit with flex leg while the hands are kept over the knees and back should be straight and body should be rest on the ankle. The benefit is first is it control obesity, improve the leg muscles and sharpens the leg. It is a Vajrasan is a meditative pose. We perform meditations in these positions, cure gastric problems, flat foot, arthritis, etc. After taking the meal, we can do Vajrasans for better digestions. Contraindication: persons suffering with chronic joint pain and joint pain of ankles, knee, etc. should not perform these asanas because Vajrasans we have to sit in ankles, knee. Therefore, the persons who have joint problems they should avoid the Vajrasan. Trikon asanas, also known as triangular pose. In Trikon pose, first keep the feet apart and then try to touch the hand. Try to touch opposite hand to the foot while the other hand is raised up and look upward. Reduce obesity, improve trunk and leg flexibility, cure acidity, neck spondylitis, lordosis and scoliosis. Lordosis means when your lumbar spine bends forward and scoliosis means when your spine bends sideward. Contraindications: persons with severe back pain should avoid this asan. Earth Mastendra Asan. Earth Mastendra Asan. In this, we sit with a cross leg and one leg is placed over the others so that the foot touches the opposite hip and um, joint, whereas the hands support the spine while looking backward. Look backward. It controls weight, obesity, gives shape to the body, improves spinal flexibility. The flexibility of the spine will improve. Back pain, abdominal muscles are strengthened and tone up the muscles. Increase the glandular functioning, cure diabetes, arthritis, kyphosis. Kyphosis means when your spine bend forward. Lordosis, scoliosis and bow leg. Contradictions: the persons with severe back pain, hernia piles should not do this asan. Halasan. Halasans, also known as flow pose. In this, first lie down in supine positions and then try to touch the surface behind the head. First benefit is control obesity, back pain, shoulder muscles are improved, cure gastric problem, digestive problem, neck muscles. Our neck muscles gain strength. The strength of neck muscles improve, cure back pain, improve eyesight, etc. The main contraindications is the person suffering from neck and shoulder pain should avoid this asan. Some asana for preventing obesity are like Paschimottanasana asan, Bhujang asan, Salp asan, Yog mudra, Kapal bharti, Pranayam, Surya Bhedan pranayam, etc. Yoga for preventing diabetes. Diabetes means sugar problem. Diabetes is a condition when the pancreas in the human body fail to produce insulin. Diabetes is such a disorder which cause sugar to build in and blood sugar to build in bloodstream instead of being used up by the body cells. Incidentally, insulin is the hormones that convert the sugar in the food into energy. Insufficient secretions of insulin by the pancreas result in excess of glucose levels in the bloodstream, resulting diabetes. If the levels of glucose is high, it eventually affects the important body part. So, diabetes means diabetes is a sugar problem. Uh, diabetes is a problem when the human body is failed to produce insulin helps insulin helps to convert the sugar into energy. um, insulins insulins convert the sugar which is present in the food into the energy, but due to deficiency of insulins, the sugar is not converted into energy. Uh, mm, Therefore, insufficient secretions of insulins by pancreas result in excess excess accumulations of glucose levels in the blood streams, resulting in diabetes. Symptoms: the person suffering from diabetes show the symptoms like fatigues, hazy visions, excessive thirst, weight loss, increased appetite, etc. Appetite means bhook lagna. Cause: what are the cause of diabetes? The main cause of diabetes is overweight or obesity, drinking drinking or lot of drinking cold drink, soda waters, genetic factors, sedentary lifestyles, gastrointestinal problem, smoking, alcohol, less physical activity. If a person do less physical activity and taking lots of sweet, etc., these are the cause of diabetes. The problem of diabetes is mainly due to insufficient secretion of insulins help in transportations of sugar which is present in food into energy. When there is deficiency of insulins, the sugars in the blood increase and leads to diabetes. Yoga. Some yoga to prevent diabetes are Bhujang asans, also known as cobra pose. First, lie down in proline positions, and then slowly rise up your upper body part and look upward. Benefit: prevent and cure diabetes, improve digestive functioning, cure cold and bronchial problems, kyphosis, obesity, neck spondylitis, etc. And contradictions: the person suffering from back pain, hernia should avoid this asana. Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana is sitting with um, straight leg in front. First sit down big with the leg straight front, and try to touch try to touch your forehead with the knee. ठीक है, अपने नोज को नी पे टच करना, एंड योर नी should be straight, and hold that position for some time. Benefit: relief from diabetes, control weight and prevent obesity. Back and leg muscles are strength. The strength of the leg muscles, back, etc. are improved. Cure gastric problems, indigestions and constipations problem. And the person suffering from heart problems, ulcers, hernia, psychiatric should not perform this asana. Pavan Muktasan. For this, First, lie down in supine positions. Then slowly bend your knee and raise your upper body part and try to touch your nose with the knees. Benefit of Paschimottanasana: first, prevent and cure diabetes, improve digestive functioning, cure obesity and neck spondylitis. And the person suffering from back pain should not perform this asana. Yoga for preventing asthma. Asthma is a chronic lung disease. Okay, asthma is a chronic lung disease that inflames or swollen and narrow the respiratory tract in the lungs. Our respiratory tract become narrow और फिर respiratory tract फूल जाना या फिर उसमें सूजन होना. This asthma is a respiratory problem in which the airway become blocked or narrow, resulting in breathing problems. Symptoms of asthma is shortening of breath, coughing, chest tightening caused by dust, um, air pollutions, animal skin, hair, feathers, etc. And Gomukh Asan. Gomukh Asans can also means lightness of the head or light in the head. In this asan is named because when one is performing this asan, the body resembles as a cow face. The thighs and the calves are replaced in such a way that they are wide at one end and tapering on the others, and rise. Use one hand from the upwards and one hand from the downward and try to touch, interlock the hand. Benefit: increase the flexibility of the spine and tone of the muscle of the whole body, cure kyphosis, asthma, back pain, and the person's severe shoulder problems because it stress on shoulders. So persons who have severe shoulder problems should avoid this asana. Parvat Asans. Parvat Asan is a simple seated asan. Asan which is considered to be the one of the most important seated postures in yoga. First, sit down with leg cross each others and it is placed on the thigh. Thigh Padmasans or lotus pose. The whole body of the upper body part is stretched upward with the arms over the head and palm pressed together. Cure flexibility of the spine, kyphosis, asthma, back pain, and the persons suffering from some people's problems suffer from ankle problems should avoid this. Next is Bhujangasana, that is cobra positions. First, lie down in proline positions and slowly rise up your upper body part upward and cure diabetes, improve the digestive functioning, cure cold, bronchial problems, kyphosis, obesity, neck spondylitis, and the person suffering from back pain, hernia should avoid this asana. Next is Paschimottanasana asanas. First, sit down with your leg straight. Front knees should be straight and try to touch your nose in the leg. अपने nose को नी पे टच कराना है and hold that position for some time. Benefit: relieve diabetes, back pain, asthma problems, helps to control the weight, prevent from obesity, back and leg muscle strength, our back muscle strength, leg muscle strain, cure gastric problem, indigestions and constipation problem. The person suffering from heart problem, ulcer, hernia, sciatica should avoid this. Matsyasan, also known as fish pose, because it's look like a fish. So it is a fish pose. First, lie on your back, your feet. Yeah, you can do first sit down in Vajrasans and slowly bend down and uh, touch your head in the floor, keeping the chest elevate. Your chest should be upward. Lower the head backward and touch the top of the head to the floor. Your chest, lift your chest up from in between the shoulder blade. Press the thigh and the leg to the floors. Only your chest should be upward. Benefit: cure asthma problems. It's help to control the weight, prevent obesity, um, back problems, our leg muscle strength, relax, cure gastric problem, indigestions, constipations, etc. And the person suffering from back pain, knee problems should avoid this asana. Yoga. Yoga for preventing hypertensions. Hypertensions, also known as high blood pressures. Hypertensions, it happens when the pressures in the blood vessels get high enough, leading to the uh, risk of body stream. It is commonly known as high blood pressures. High blood pressures means pressures on the wall of the uh, pressures on the wall of the blood vessels when the blood flow over it. Okay, when the blood flow through the blood vessels, blood pressures is the maximum pressure. High blood pressures means maximum pressures on the wall of the arteries when the blood flow over it. In the diagnosis of hypertension, if the rate of blood pressures reach above 120 by 180 mmHg, then hypertension is present. Contractions of heart produce systolic pressures. Contractions produce systolic maximum pressures, and relaxative produce diastolic. ठीक है, diastolic problem, systolic during contractions, diastolic during relaxations. Symptoms of high blood pressures: dizziness, head heaviness, headache problems, chest chest palpitations mean chest का धक धक करना, nose bleeding, shortening of breath, breathing problem, irritations, getting tired easily, face turning red, visual problem, disturb in sleep, etc. These are the symptoms of high blood pressures. The cause of hypertension are physiological, physiological, psychological, and environmental, like overweight, obesity, high sodium. If you take more salt, taking alcohol, doing on lack of physical activity, smoking, stress, taking stress, aging, heredity, gastric problem, etc. These are the cause of hypertension. Hypertension lead to serious health problems like heart disease, heart failures, heart attack, and others. Organs are also affected like kidney, liver, um, unchangeable, aggressive attitude, paralyzed, etc. These are the problems due to high blood pressures. Some yoga for preventing hypertension are Tadasana, also known as mountain pose. In this asana, person stand on the feet and slowly raise the raise the hand as much as possible while coming on toes. Your your palms should touch each other's. Cure hypertension, develop leg muscles, increase height in the children's, relieve leg and ankle pain, cure postures problem like kyphosis, scoliosis, neck spondylitis, flat foot, etc. And the persons having severe ankle problem should avoid this asana. Vajrasan, also known as rock sitting positions. In these positions, we sit with flax leg. Flax means bending leg, and we sit on the while the hands are over the knee. Back should be, spine should be straight, and body is resting over the ankles. Control obesity, strength the leg muscle. uh, it increase the strength of the leg muscles, shape the leg. Meditative pose for performing the pranayam, cure gastric problems. We should do this vajrasanas after taking the meal. Reduce hypertensions, flat foot, arthritis, etc. And the persons having joint problems, ankle problems should avoid this asana. Next is Paschimottanasana. In Paschimottanasana, first lie down in supine position. Supine positions means facing upward. Bend your leg and slowly raise your upper body part and toes, and try to touch your nose with the knees and hold that position for some time. Benefit: cure diabetes, digestive improve digestive functions, cure obesity, neck spondylitis, relax the mind, remove the hypertensions. And the person suffer from severe back pain should avoid this asana. Earth Chakrasan. Earth Chakrasan. Chakrasan is full bending, and Earth Chakrasan means half wheel pose. From the standing positions, start bending backward, and from standing position start bending backward. Benefit: cure hypertension, reduce fat around the waist, improve the flexibility of the spine, cure abdominal spont- ab, ab, uh, abdominal spondylitis, scoliosis, and bow leg. Bow leg means when there is a gap between the knees. And the person suffer from severe back pain should avoid this asana. Bhujangasanas, cobra pose, lie down in proline positions and slowly raise your upper body part and look upward. Next is Salp Asana. Salp Asanas, it is a relaxative pose. It is also known as sleeping pose. Lie down in supine position like sleeping pose. Legs should be separated. Keep your arm at your side and your palms should be facing upward. Start concentrating from your head to your feet. This means you are constantly relaxing your each part of your body. It is a relaxing asanas, relaxing the whole body part. Don't move the head without relaxing particular part of the body. On each inhaling and exhaling, think that your body is totally relaxed. Let your tension, stress, depressions, and worries should run away from each exhaling. Cure hypertensions, high blood pressures. Relax the body and mind. Stabilize the breathing. This is the benefit and contradictions, it may be the easiest pose. Salpasana, it is the easiest pose, uh, but it is most difficult to master, most difficult to concentrate. Those who have severe back pain, neck spondylitis should restrain, should not do, avoid this. If the environment is cold, cover the body with blanket, keep the room dark, or close your eyes. Cover your eye with the eye bag or bandage. You have to close your eyes and concentrate. Make a full concentration. Relax your body, etc. This is the Salp Asana. And your yoga for preventing back pain. This is cut. Delete from your syllabus. These are the some problems and some problems and the yoga for preventing.